Guys, so I just want to check in real quick. I know that this video is maybe like 2 weeks late of an upload. I made a few videos and then I just like forgot to upload them, and I got lazy to make the thumbnails, and then I just didn't upload them, and I figured at this point it's too late to upload. And I said, no, it's not. It's only been like 1 or 2 weeks. It's not like it's going to kill anybody, and I'm sure there's somebody that still wants to learn from it. So I wanted to put this warning ahead of time before anybody nags about it, because, you know, some people just love to nag. But for those of you that don't mind, and just thank you, and just let's jump into the videos here now. Oh, wait, one more. The next two videos, so there's a few videos I have that are a little bit late, so I'm going to upload them like consecutively so we can catch up, and then maybe I'll start making more for you guys. Okay, now we're going to jump into it. Don't nag on the other videos either then, please. Okay, cool. What's going on, my friends? Welcome to another video here. My name is Bijan, in case you're new here. And in this video, we're going to briefly be going over a trade that I did in which I made about $3,650 in about, I don't know how long it was, to be honest with you guys. I didn't calculate that yet, but we'll go in and look at it right now. So just trying to get back on track here with making videos for you guys here and there. Trying to get back to the grind of things, the usual ways. I don't know, what do you call it? Anyway, so as you can see here, we were trading shares. Well, for anybody that cares how long the trade was, it was about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. So anyways, I had 1,000 shares. It was broken up here just because it took a few seconds to give me my full fill. But anyways, I got in it at 50.20, and we'll go over to the chart and break it down right now. Let me just get this whole profit thing out of the way real quick. So I was in it at 50.20, and I sold all 1,000 shares. It's a very simple trade, one in, one out. All 1,000 shares at the price of $53.85. So that's a profit of $3.65 per share. Multiply that by 1,000 shares that I had. That's where you get the $3,650 profit there. So now that we got the profit out of the way, let's go and break it down for you guys on the chart here. So what happened is first of all, this was on the watch list from the swing trading side of things. So I was perfectly fine with holding this overnight if I needed to. It just made its move today, so I closed it out today. But just to kind of give you guys like a little example, this is kind of what I had on the watch list on the swing trading side, just giving you guys like an idea of how it looks. And then for people that are part of it, you can kind of see how everything translates over to how I implement it. Obviously, you can implement it the way you like. I'm not going to get into that here, waste time with that. So basically, I said if we can get a dip to the 50 area and can hold above it, I'm going to be looking to get either long some shares or get some calls. And this is basically the plan. I had my plan with a risk below the 49 area, right on the 48.74. Nice little cushion there for ourselves. And a primary profit target of 52.50 and a secondary profit target of 54. And I said you can even hold a few playing with profit or raising stops to see if we can get 55. And because of the fact that it gave us the move today, I was like, all right, well, let's hold it. See if we do get 55 today. And then I kind of saw it was rejecting the 54 area a little bit. So I said, all right, let's just take it off, stay disciplined. That was the secondary profit target anyways. Might as well just wrap it up at that note. And that's where I basically closed it out. So kind of showed you guys the whole watch list thing there. Now we'll break it down here. And on the time wise, you see 6:38 is the time we got in it. We were out at 10:55. So yeah, just want to make sure I saw it right. So 10:38 is right here, right around this area where it kind of just dropped down right below the 50 area. Like I said, I got my fill at the 50.20. Wasn't exactly at the 50 area, but it wasn't too far off either. Especially considering the way that we had the trade structured. I was perfectly fine with entering at that level. And it just, I don't want to update anything right now. Sorry. Anyways, it basically just completely started shooting up not too long after I got into the trade. And like I said, I didn't really get out at what was it, the 52.50 area, because it just kind of pierced through that area, and I was like, all right, dude, it's already strong, let me hold it. I didn't really have to worry about time and all that, so I held it, and that's pretty much that. Just trying to add a little bit of context here, but I also wasn't even just sitting here the whole entire time watching it. I just had my alerts set to let me know, like, hey, did we go below the 49 area? Hey, did we get up to this area? Check it out, review it, everything looks good, okay. But that's pretty much that. I just placed the trade, had my alert set, and that's pretty much that. And as we kind of drop back down this area, we didn't go below the 53.50, but I probably would have closed it out if we did. And then once I checked back on it, I'm like, all right, he's just kind of struggling with this 54 area. Let's just wrap it up, stay disciplined on this. And that's pretty much that. That's where we got the whole bulk of the move right there. Like I said, I was even watching it on a swing trade area. I was kind of watching this idea. It kind of popped up, started flagging a little bit. So I said, all right, if we get a dip right back to this area and we hold that, hey, we're going potentially to the 55. I mean, hey, it could even go higher. Don't get me wrong. I just figured for a 1 day, let me just lock it in and take that profit. So anyways, that's pretty much that, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll wrap it up here. This was actually a moderately well-timed video. I'm actually happy with myself so much that I'm going to ramble for a minute just to make sure I covered everything. I think I covered everything. Okay, so that's pretty much that, guys. If you do want to join the watch list or anything like that, I'll put the link in the description to our website below. That's really it. Oh, the social medias. Oh, and the thumbs up. I knew there was something I was forgetting, guys. You have to press the thumbs up. Even if you didn't like the video, I guess press the thumbs down, because I think that still helps us too. Just as long as you're doing something. So, like, do it. If you wouldn't mind, I'd be so, it'd be so kind of you. I would be extremely grateful. And that's pretty much that, guys. Subscribe if you want to follow me on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Who's Bijan T. You guys can add me on those. And that's pretty much that. We're going to wrap it up here. Sorry, I just want to make sure we got to at least 5 minutes. Otherwise, I don't know, I would have felt like it was incomplete. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day, a great night. Just have a great rest of your life, and I'll talk to you all soon.